Welcome to Bad Food Blog, and today we're going to be doing something fun. I'm going to make a double-decker Rustlers burger from these twin pack of flame grilled cheeseburgers. Now, unlike the quarter pounders and the normal cheeseburger, it's slightly smaller than the quarter pounder, but it's a normal cheeseburger. There's just two of them in a double pack, and they're each to be cooked for, well, the same amount of time as normal, really. 60 seconds, and you're supposed to separate out the buns. No, 55 seconds each. It must be a tiny bit smaller, but you're supposed to separate out the buns and toast them and so on, and they've got the normal tomato ketchup. What I'm going to do, if you bear with me, is I'm going to cook the two burgers in the microwave for the 55 seconds each, and then I'm going to recombine them into what is essentially something similar to a Big Mac, where you've got top beef, middle beef, bottom. We'll be wasting one piece of bread here. So, let's get on with it. And where's the other edge? There it is. Right. Now, to make sure I give myself the best opportunity for this to taste nice. Oh, look, they painted little grill lines on it. We're only going to be using one top. And we're going to be using a middle. There's going to be our bun selection, and this is what it's going to look like. Oh, look, they put marks on the top side, but they only paint on the other. Oh, hold on. There's no grooves on this side, but there's grooves on. Oh well. There we go. Some weird choices. So that's going to be our bun. We've got our burger sauce, because he's come with a burger sauce, which is like a... And we have our two pieces of cheese, one for the top of each burger. So, and unfortunately this one's going to go to waste. So let's go toast this lot and get this in the microwave. Let's see what this looks like and what it tastes like. Oops. Use that to stop stuff flying all over the inside of the microwave. Okay, let's see how the buns are doing. Oh! Almost toasted. Not quite ready, as they needed 55 seconds each. I shall put them in for a bit longer. They smell really nice. Yep. Ooh, smells great. Wow, that's extremely hot. A lot of steam, and that is, ouch, definitely cooked and way too hot to pick up with my hand. There we go, two well-cooked burgers. So, let's put this together. So, first layer, plus steaming hot meat patty, piece of cheese, oh, actually, it's supposed to be burger sauce first. Whoops. So, yep, that's going everywhere. This sauce doesn't come out very well. So, sauce, burger, cheese, next layer, some more of this sauce that doesn't really want to come out. It might be frozen or something, looks like. Burger and cheese. And top. Wow, let's have a look at that, shall we? That's pretty impressive. Let's see what it tastes like. There's a great shot there, isn't there? That's really nice. I mean, it's still a microwave burger, but it's a hell of a lot of meat. Don't really like that sauce. It is a mustard and mayonnaise sauce. Pickle overtones. Yeah, pickled mayonnaise and mustard. Well, I'm going to go finish this off. Thanks for watching. This has been Bad Food Blog, and that's been how to make yourself an even more unhealthy burger with a twin pack of Rustlers and ending up with something that looks reasonably like a Big Mac. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe.